What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be an exciting video. I am at Prestige Motorsports in North Carolina getting my car dyno tuned after I've made all of these great Holley upgrades. We've got the coil pack and the Hi-Ram. I'm excited. They do great Holley Efi Tuning. Justin is amazing. So yeah, stay tuned. So they just wrapped up a compression test on the car and it received a good bill of health. I was a little nervous because we brought it 10 hours and we didn't do a compression test before, but all is well. So I'm excited to finally get it on the dyno.
Controller's working. That's good. Now we got something to work with at least. Did it make a fuck on there or did it kill it before it even did anything?
Killed it, I think.
Yeah, but it was up.
So after running on the gates, we kind of dialed in the fuel and played with timing some, and now we're just gonna turn on the boost control and just stack a little boost on top of the wastegate. Obviously we had a little more boost solenoid duty cycle than we wanted. It spiked up and hit the boost cut, but that's good because now we have something to dial back, where before it just wasn't doing anything. But the fuel pressure is actually rising really well with the boost, which is the concern we had earlier on. So it's looking good. Tiny engine, decent sized turbo. Once it starts to spool, it kind of takes off. So I'm gonna just drop this back down to like 11 and see kind of what it does there. I almost kind of want to try like ramping in the dome and then pulling it back out as the RPMs increase, because it doesn't seem like it needs it as bad once it spools. I don't know. There's got to be some weird logic to that based on turbo size and engine size being small with the big turbski. As it does. Once that thing starts to build boost, it just
wants to go.
More stable now. Basically you got to 9 pounds and it falls down to 8.5 by the end of the RPM range. So that's good. I'll give it a little more dome there to hold it. We'll pull plugs and look at them, and if they look good, we'll play with timing a little bit and call it a day.
Sounds good. What you doing?
Oh, just seeing if you got an ear infection.
So while he's checking the plugs, I wanted to give a little bit of a recap. It seems like the sweet spot is around 9 pounds of boost. That last pull, as you saw, did 432 horsepower. My goal was 500, but you know, all in all, I just want the car to make boost safely. It is still a stock block 302, and I don't want to push it on the trailer today. I want to be able to drive it, enjoy it, and race it next month. So I'm very pleased with what the car is doing so far.
Probably not much worth putting anything else in it.
Held the boost 9 pounds.
Probably just.
If I had to guess, your engine's just a little more wore out than it was a year ago when it made 30 extra horsepower.
Well, also different dyno.
That's true.
So.
Yeah, all in all,
They're not a load bearing dyno, so I'm sure this is
more accurate.
Yeah.
You went to 9.5 pounds, and then it tapered down to 9. You know, 75% duty cycle. Fuel pressure's good.
I would almost say to just take that timing it back out of it.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's coming out.
Yeah.
It didn't really do anything, so it's not really a point. Yep, we'll pull that back out and make one confirmation run and call it a day.
Alright, so we're going for a little ride. I'm on the keys today.
Turbo Fox to me. Where's those Civics at?
Yeah, okay.
Where's those ugly Civics at? Pass the wheel over. I can't be the only one having fun today. It's an easy day.
Yeah.
Nice. I saw Todd. I figured it
Yeah,
out.
you know, you might as well.
We're gonna do a flyby.
Give him a little razzle dazzle.
He's gonna be in it, so might as well let him get a video from
Okay, so we got the car home from Prestige, and unfortunately I didn't hit my goal horsepower number, but I'm still happy with the results because my car is, 1, making boost safely, 2, it's way more responsive. I had some issues stalling and the car not really responding well before I got it tuned by them, so that is a plus. And 3, well, this 302's got to go, so I am looking forward to upgrading to one of their 363 packages, and I am just so excited now that I can finally enjoy my car confidently. Before I was just kind of be scared driving it around town because I was afraid it was going to stall, or you know, you never know. So now I can just take it out confidently, and yeah, thank you so much for Prestige. I appreciate you guys so much. Your entire team is awesome. If you guys need any engine builds, from the ground up builds, tuning, really anything car related, definitely hit them up. I will put their information down below. And as always guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.